Welcome to the Sekisui Learning Admin video manual series for the updated HTML5 interface. In this video we will learn how to use the import data function in the LMS to attach job codes and other data to employees. Like with the SuccessFactors employee data upload, we can use a template to upload in the LMS. We will start by downloading the template. For this video, you will need your organization's SuccessFactors employee data list so that you can easily copy and paste data into the LMS template. So, click System Admin on the left-hand side of the screen, click System Management Tools, click Import Data option, click the Download Template checkbox. You can now select from different templates to update data into the LMS, such as User Info or Learning History. Choose User from the drop-down box. Click Submit. Open the Excel file. There are many columns, only 4 of these are essential. These are the user ID, the active status, the role ID, and the domain ID. Data for these columns can be found by searching a user in the LMS. Data will be the same for all users except user ID. Fill in the datasheet with the user ID of an employee. Then, in the active column, you can choose whether the user is active or not. Choose Yes for all employees, as they will already be active in the LMS. Input Sekisui_user in the role ID. This ID has been preset in the system. Input your organization's domain ID. To find the correct format for the domain ID, check the profile of an employee in your organization. You can find the correct format for the domain under Security Domain and this part in brackets. Input the job code that you want to assign your employees. I will input the job code ID that I made in the previous video. Now, save the file as an Excel file. Return to the Import Data screen, ensuring the Import Data box is checked for action and record type is set to User, then click Update. Select Choose File and open the employee template that you just saved. Leave the time zone as is and click Submit. Ensure Run this job immediately if allowable is checked and click Finish. You will see that your datasheet uploaded successfully. If you receive a failure message, click Continue importing data. At the bottom of the screen, there will be an error log of your import. Click Download to review the error messages in the file. There will be a message for each line of data. If the upload fails, it is normally due to incorrect formatting of the domain ID. Double check that the domain ID you input into the sheet matches the ID of your organization in the system. Great job! You can now assign training in an assignment profile by filtering them using job codes. Thanks for watching and see you next time.